Hello everybody, that's me. This is my laptop. I unbox and open and here it's my laptop and I use this for I think almost a year, right? Not yet. It's one I don't remember. But anyway, let me show you how many percent I left with my I use all the space. I'm in danger right now. Look at this. I have to clean up, delete some video. This is a SSD, not HD hard drive. This is SSD. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Sometimes, I just put in the video there, I bundle up, and then sometimes I forgot to back up. I send tomorrow, and then tomorrow I forget. Okay, evening tomorrow, and then I forgot, and then they end up with that. That's how many I left. Only 26.7 gigabyte free to use. That's actually is a 512 gigabytes. It's a SSD. But because they are installed some software stuff like that, so they only left for 475 gigabytes. But I use all and only left 26.7. So I use how many? I think I use 440 something gigabytes already. I have to remove video. Okay, just so that you see. This is Windows 11 and the laptop I use. I did open there. It's a Lenovo.